Very good. How about if the time is 2:40? Ito. 6 o'clock. You know the time na? Oh, sige nga. Can you answer this one? You are going to match the time